Did you know there is a natural sweetener that is sweeter than sugar, healthier than honey, and packed with nutrients? It is called date paste, nature's caramel, and today I will show you how to make it right at home in just a few minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to kristyyumfoods. If you are new here and haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe and join our food and active lifestyle community today. Date paste isn't just delicious, it is powerful. Unlike refined sugar, it is full of fiber, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. That means it doesn't spike your blood sugar as much and actually fuels your body with goodness. Let's check out some benefits of date paste. It boosts energy naturally. Date paste is rich in fiber, that is, it is great for digestion. It contains potassium and magnesium for a healthy heart. Date paste is also full of antioxidants that fight inflammation and a perfect sugar substitute for baking, smoothies and desserts. After breaking the quantity of dates needed, rinse it out once, just like that. And then soak in clean water. For soft dates, you need to soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes, while for drier dates, you need to soak it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. If you love our recipes, please check the description box to grab your ebooks or sign up for a class. Let's level up together. After soaking, you can then blend them until smooth. You can either use a grinding mill like this, or you can use a blender. Do you know that the date seed has its own benefits? So don't throw them away. Date seed are little powerhouses as well. They are rich in antioxidants and can be roasted and ground into a coffee like powder, and are even used to support healthy skin and hair. Some studies also says they help with blood sugar balance too, so nothing goes to waste. And here you have a creamy sweet paste. You can use anywhere you'd normally add sugar. Now let's check out the storage process. Store in an airtight jar or container for up to 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. And for a longer storage, freeze in portions. This lasts up to 6 months. So next time you crave sweetness, skip the refined sugar and try this natural alternative. Your body will thank you. Are you team sugar or team dates? Please drop your answer below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more healthy recipes. You can also follow us on our display social media handles and let us become friends and advance together. See you in our next video.